Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your CV or your resume on the Indeed job search application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed job search application on your device, and then if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it and use your Google account or your credentials to log into your Indeed account. Now, once you have been logged in, if you wish to upload a resume or your CV, then tap on the Job Seekers option on the drop-down menu. Now, from the Job Seeker drop-down menu, click on Resume, and you will be taken into the page where you can upload your own resume or build an Indeed resume. Now, you can tap on Build an Indeed resume if you don't already have a resume that you have prepared. Otherwise, you can tap on Upload Resume, and you will directly be able to choose your file in order to upload it. Once you tap on your desired file, your resume will be uploaded onto the Indeed platform. And once the upload is completed, you will be shown the outline of your CV as it appears within your profile. Now, you can tap on the confirmation button which says, yes, this looks right. You can also change your mind by tapping on no, don't use this PDF, and then you can upload a new file or create an Indeed resume by following the given steps. After tapping on the yes button, you will be asked whether you want to make this resume searchable or not searchable. Now, if you wish to gain exposure from various different job opportunities, then make sure that you select the first option and then click on continue. And now your resume has successfully been added onto your Indeed profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to upload your CV or resume on the Indeed job search application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.